My name is Steve Romanello. I am a civil trial lawyer, and I am a principal of Kaiser Romanello, PA, the personal injury law firm.
My name is Lauren Kaiser. I'm a civil trial attorney. I am the co-owner of Kaiser Romanello.
The case is based on a shooting. It was an employee that was shot by his boss. He had a heart attack 48 hours after the shooting, and it was a direct result of the trauma that he sustained from the incident.
The assailant, he had committed suicide. So it was an attempted murder-suicide in a lawsuit that we brought against both the mall and the security company for negligent security. One of the first defenses they raised was, how could we have possibly stopped this shooting from happening?
Over the course of probably about 6 months to a year prior to the shooting, his boss started to have break down emotionally. He was having blow-ups in the mall office. He was showing his gun to security guards.
That was the challenge, is to shake the defendant from their position that this was a 5-second event. This was not a 5-second event. This was a 6-month event that culminated in a 5-second attack.
One of the things that we typically do in our cases, and in this case in particular, is that we waive medical bills. And we use DK Global's animation to come in and show the pain and suffering aspects of the claim. You really can't tell on the outside, from all outward appearances, that there's anything wrong with him.
We did create a timeline video where things happen and when they happen in the mall. We were able to also create visuals of the path of the bullet. DK Global was able to show where the bullet entered, what anatomy it affected and injured, and where the bullet terminated. We also created a video which helped our cardiologist immensely to explain how inflammation from the stress of the event caused a plaque rupture and it caused a heart attack 2 days after the event occurred.
The defenses on offer prior to DK Global's involvement in the case was $165,000. Initially, they offered nothing for some time. The case ultimately resolved by getting a $5 million verdict with the jury.
The only way you can be sure you told your client's story the right way and the most compelling way is with pictures and with video. You have to show the jury your case, not tell them, show them. And that's exactly what we did.